Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to delete your Proton account using your web browser. First, go to deleteo.app. There, you can find Proton and follow the step-by-step instructions with me. Let's begin by going to https account.proton.me and logging into your account. I've already done that. Now click on All Settings, then go to Account and Password, and scroll down to find the Delete Account section. Click the Delete Your Account button. Proton will ask you to provide a reason why you're leaving. You'll also need to confirm your Proton Mail username and password as a security step. Important: if you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll also need to enter your 2FA code to proceed. Finally, check the box that says, "Yes, I want to permanently delete this account and all its data," and then click Delete. Your account will now be scheduled for permanent deletion. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Proton account. Remember, once deleted, your messages, backups, and account information cannot be restored. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out deleteo.app, where you'll find easy guides for deleting your accounts or downloading your data from different apps. You can also find your accounts using your email, phone number, or username, and check if your data has been leaked.